come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me I mean you the party they come out.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you, but we need to talk first. I want to discuss something with you. There are some things going on of late, and I don't feel comfortable with it. Of late, you've turned me into, you've made me look like a bad person or like a bad guy, like a gossiper on this campus. Everyone sees me just the way they see Opoku.
Why did you say that?
Simply because whenever I tell you anything or whenever I discuss anything with you, you go around telling people or telling those people.
But you heard it, right? Somebody told you, right? And you've come to tell me.
You started from my uncle. Whenever I tell you anything about my uncle and Asantua's pregnancy, you go about asking him or telling him.
Were they lies? You always tell me the truth about matters. So if you've told me the truth and I'm also asking them about it, what's wrong with that?
Same thing. I told you something about Opoku. You went to tell him. Finally, I told you about my J's gonorrhea. You went to tell him.
Was it not true?
Precious, even if it's true,
I didn't tell my
telling him.
It was true, so I don't know. I don't see anything wrong with it.
I
had to confirm. You've told me something which is a truth. I had to confirm whether it's actually true or not.
No, when you decide to confirm it from that same person, it makes me a gossiper. Do you know what my J did to me?
What did he do?
We nearly fought. I would have beat him. But since he's my friend, I don't want any.
You beat my J?
Yeah.
You can't beat my J. Share. You can't beat my J.
Me.
Somebody who can't even talk. Can you beat my J? Hey.
Don't be doing that. Whenever I tell you anything or...
Hey, me, I'll mention your name. I won't go and ask them. They'll say I'm the one who said it. So I'll go when they are spreading. They'll say Precious said, Scanty said. They won't say Precious said. So I'll keep, as long as you keep on telling me, I'll keep on mentioning your name.
Then be ready. People will start beating me on this campus because...
Nobody will beat you.
Me too, whenever I hear anything.
Beat you. You are telling the truth. There's no way somebody will beat you because of the truth. If you lie, then that's when they'll beat you. But if you tell me the truth, then you have to find your gist well. Make sure it's true before you come and tell me. And I'll tell others.
As at now, people are seeing me as Opoku on this campus.
Are you not like that now? If you're not like that, then why will you come and tell me?
So it simply means I shouldn't gist anything to you again or what?
Keep on telling me. The more you tell me, the more I tell them. You can't also stop. You have to keep on.
Are you okay?
You're insulting me.
Are you reasonable?
What do you mean by that?
You don't even feel sorry for yourself. If I tell anything, you still tell them.
Yes.
You are not reasonable.
What do you mean by I'm not reasonable? You expect me to feel sorry for myself after you have come and tell me something about people. If you don't want me to spread it, why do you tell me? Hey.
Yeah, I mean the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with me.
Huh? Eh, look, me see what from be what eh.
Seven cash.
Na on cash na say enya na wa cash no. Did you want to tell me son boom boom no for the truth? Come on, throw your hanky to your pocket. Wow.
Relax, man.
Siman Jole now this year, no they quite. How don't you discipline with this school? Eh. And a new round be. When you go, what's up, crown? Okay, school more come, Mamma. You tell you make catch your money, you know. You know, you're quite more library, oh. You're paper library, or we all everybody go to the library and cleaning the library.
Sir, no, form 1 for now also more you.
Form 1 for now.
More yes, Now I hear the guess, yeah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Get back! Get back! Hey, you think school? You think say school out there? Huh? What? There you. What they? It's what they normally Southern. Ban and no now would this Southern ban. It is school man. Obey any concentration. You just imagine say.
Oh, see, I need to wow. Did they say,
What did they make at now?
I'm going for evangelism.
Hey, and your evangelism in our school. You came here because of education. Tiasema make at your library wife. You call library. Ya kwa kuchuchu library. Ya kwa paper ho. What? Many come tomorrow light ba kuntimi ko preaching. Many say ono na mde tra bia kakra kaja ketua. What?
Yenim Danka Williams mo nti omo say no mo ye. Ah, say, menim say ahonidie de e kanya me so mo.
Yo bala. Kanya say.
Oh. Sana. I say I spirit in the fire sana e kasa. Ahonidie kanya me so mo na so nyame ne se me nkoye na ejuma no pe say. Me nya hwa me baba be.
No afraid e ba video call pa de na ni.
Nyame se katre se unya ho abeba be. Yate wo de ko onsempa kanbra uwie ya abra library obat e pese me ma wo ti ase e sai enyensem kan nti ana ofre na da usu nti na ba school no. Hey, what's wrong? Huh? Why you put your hand there? Again, how?
Oh.
Huh? Yeah. Bibian, how about you? Tiatana no se Bibian, how? Enti sofo de make catch on no. O ba school ma so busua de mesrawo. Dey o last. Ko kan de o kan uya.
Enti mesha na ma feriase muni amanyina afambo mebo. Yes baba. Okay, moi for Yesu Christo reba.
Why? To Mr. Where your last? Why? What do I say? Echima.
Obey broker.
So for pa.
Obey broker. No man for ya miss me.
When you near come and fa. Why busum pie no lie o obe fa. When you for square busum pie no obe fa wo. Ah wo come also. Come bo wa come ne betu ani so. What? So I say we no down my second way into oba ra. What mu mean no? What school mu be dwane.
School near about.
Tie je make kachira mo no me se mu mean mu be dwane. Na that mu nyini na mo be mutimi kostu na mo be ministers. Na mo be ye mpanyimfo a wusia me a waka say teacher ni we wo boy pa. What? Hey. Are you sleeping? I come to shame, I'm talking, then you babies. My son from Blobia on Sada to say, oh, what other would you do? School, sir?
Send my day.
What am I quite so called a new one? Cotito. Be a school, one am I quite and what? A woman says, school, my yedi, pibia, but a yen in a trap.
70 for my
The work of paper library, Bia try so obeba. Who wouldn't him that be you one another school to be no problem with this school. I'm finished.
Paper library say the dust are not even more.
We have for the same farm of your dear sin.
And
that's what Jimmy. What Jimmy? Missy Uncle Pippa, Uncle Kenny. Library, I will be some say you're the more one answer day. And I'm saying we can't with it. We cannot with it. Why?
Take it to me and watch.
Oh, I didn't know. Obi the insertion of the coins. If you are there,
you buy people.
There. Huh? Gunu. Clap for her.
Why you stay?
Clap for her.
Why you study our school? I'll be joining.
There, me catching so big gun. Ah, Jina me catching me say, Ubi big gun. Let's school no one who can't foul blah. One year, Uber school one, I know hanging out on other Susia. Only house of an to a chimney. Omna library. What is
the men one then a form for Juma, will see and bear no.
And you're from County. Why are you challenging me?
County them just a deal.
We are Scanty.
That's a way after. What it? I'm not teaching my brother school master. And then school there, more we are not fly by. I can't say school no. Quaco be die. Because the man she am the idea of poop your plan. No, not by a money. My friend education service. I catch on say at the channel, my child. I am shaking Ghana has syndicated by PPR. Syndicated by PPR. Yeah,
I'm educated at PP. Educated or blue.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months at your mayor. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh, yeah. Pray that today you go be my day, yeah. Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the parties they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Bronzo, Jamaica. Me, person me come any months, so when Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. So, Jehovah, hallowed be thy name. Let thy will be done, no, hallowed be thy name. So, Jehovah, hallowed be thy name. Oh, my Ukanya, oh, my Yoda, hallowed be thy name. So, Jehovah, hallowed be thy name. Let thy will be done, no, hallowed be thy name.
What is wrong about you?
Nothing.
No.
I'm just here.
You can't tell me that you are okay.
Oh,
you are not okay. Precious, listen to me. We think alike. We talk alike. We do everything alike. We power also permission. Don't lie to me. A busy that so we can't trust him. What is wrong about you?
There's nothing wrong.
Precious, you are lying to me.
I'm not lying.
You are lying.
I'm being honest. There's nothing wrong.
L for you are lying, pray.
T for telling the truth. I'm not lying.
P for pray.
I'm telling the truth.
L for you are lying. Ah, I know your face. This is not what your face is. Your face is changed. Huh? You tell me, what is the wrong?
Yeah, since we are alike, let me tell you. But don't tell anyone that I'm having this problem.
I'll keep it in my mind. Have you told me anything and here outside before?
Not really.
Yes. Me, I won't tell anybody. What is the matter?
I'm not seeing Scanty well.
How? Do you seem blur or you seem...
I don't know. These days he has been acting weird towards me. I don't know why. And then plus he has been getting this connection with my best friend. You know my best friend, Anderson. Abigail. They've been meeting up. She has been cooking for him. Like, there are so many things going on between both of them, but they are failing to admit it.
You say I say we now welcome from the Chomako. Master, me come once and beam that. Me come home times and come once and beam that. Precious, you know how you mean to me. You mean a lot to me. Me tell once and me tell me about catch all. I don't know about me who me catch or say Scanty ni po bebo because I know Scanty. I know him like my dress.
You told me that he's dating somebody outside the school. I didn't know that it was somebody in my cloth.
Say me catch you if animal will bite you, it is in your cloth.
I knew you quote that.
Yes, somebody make away if you want to me. Oh, me catch you say boy no star boy no me na me won kono no na me ni suban. Twuni firi ho emwa. Na o akomapa na ne hojo. John boy we hojo. Precious, found one dream. Nimena Kran, ya, enemy night. Yes.
So do you think they are having something going on? Anderson and Scanty.
Listen, Miss Auntie, Omushisha. Looking, but Omumbeka.
Have you heard about it in the dormitory?
Omushisha. But just they say.
Oh, you are talking. I don't believe you. Go. Talk and make me feel like it's real. What is this?
Okay. Obeje they say. Emra. Is Scanty no be your call. We are called 3 hours. Free night call. If you're not by 11, about 2.
I'm hoping it's not Anderson.
See me come back. Now I'm calling and say, hey, would your precious the other in your coin you and I see there be on your precious. And I'm saying, why? Your boy. Abigail. What's happening? Abigail Anderson. I'm saying, Jesus Christ.
And what did you tell him? Didn't you put some sense into it?
See me come back. Oh yeah, I'm saying, let you get your kuna, it's winning to go. Now get more better. Are they wine? With my brain. You say, hey, if love finish, then it rests with Adapa. What was Anna to Adapa?
So you didn't advise him?
I advised him a lot, but still, she said that you are not.
But
anything.
they are telling me they are not dating. That's the thing. I asked Scanty, he said there's nothing going on.
Oh.
And I asked Abigail too. She said the same thing.
Now me cry and coming. Huh?
But how can they admit it to you and not to me?
If you me Ben Scanty. Secret boys bedin no. And I say and come out boy any boy bedin no. Boy any gay miss and come on. What is the
You know one thing. When you're able to let Scanty or Abigail confess to me that they are dating, I'll give you a chance. Okay, like I just want that thing, Opoku.
I must read the point from Seer. Repeat what you say. Repeat what you say. Oh, repeat. I want to confirm.
I'm just saying that. You see, they are failing to admit it. How you are smiling is funny.
Go.
Go away. You can't do it.
You have raised my libido right now.
I want you to let them confess to me.
And if they confess,
I'm going to give you a chance.
Nana, why sorry can I send me? I say yes, we hold on you na me what it. Now come here, my friend here. Yes, who don't you? Odo man kuma nyankopon. Kenti ke nyankopon e. Ko chaman se nyankopon.
Okay.
Ane unyum ni o. Yes, who don't you na me nim oyin. Aba nana se odo man kuma nyankopon. Kenti ke nyankopon e. Ko chaman se nyankopon. Aba. Nane unyum ni o. Yes, who don't you na me nim why? I'm coming out, my friend here. That's who don't make me. And I say, I don't want to come and go.
Why do you always disgrace yourself when I decide to give you a chance? Huh? You always disgrace yourself when I decide to give you a chance.
It is the joy of tears.
Yeah, I'm in Punk when I'm in the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso.
If I have to talk, then my mind will be something. Say. And now,
why you started in English, then you ended in Tree?
Oh, say,
oh, listen. I say started in English. Don't ever started with Tree. If you started with Tree, Awala, you started with Tree.
Oh, say, about and Komona me be there.
Hey, listen, my friend, go you. Go you. I say go you.
Let me talk. I will speak English.
You know go.
I will speak.
I said go or you.
Say,
you know go.
I will speak English. I will speak. The thing is, yesterday when you came, when you came to the hostel,
you will need say what abua any tree.
So when you came the hostel, when me and the boys are sitting,
also say, what is too many a time on their own? Wa. Continue.
When the boys are sitting and you come,
Yeah.
You asked that my J was Juba Juba.
What is Juba Juba? English name of Juba Juba? Tell me. I'm counting with a minute. What is English name of Juba Juba?
Say, roaming about.
Opoku, can't you shame your student?
Say, the boy was the scratch.
I said, can't you shame you are a student?
It's not my fault. The English there.
So, who fought?
Say the English. You know, I'm not.
Okay, continue.
So when my J was Juba Juba, you asked that what is wrong about the Juba Juba?
Yeah.
My J didn't talk. But I know the reason why my J was Juba Juba, but I didn't want to talk in their presence. Yes, because when they hear, they're going to beat me. So that is why I didn't talk. But you see my facial expression that something is there. I said, "Man, make cry. Make cry.
Why are you joking with me? No, why are you joking with me? Listen. I'm not joking. Asem na work ano.
Na so the red tree. It's even finishing.
Na one na hear me. Ina jina hear me, be hear me.
No, oh.
That jina be hear me. So wo dey some. Ma 30 minutes by
say I can't be like you. Say. I'm sorry.
When I hear me,
I'm just a mean to me now because me 3 minutes. Oh.
Boy no.
Say boy no time I ba one wo dwini be ma wo dwiri no. Asem ho but na say o moteto o nti na me ntimi nka.
Etwi di ase o to twa.
Say ndem ho den. Say ya yedim.
Bro mo den mamo.
Bi freti atime.
To shame, you saw him.
Say boy no. Asem o won say boy na nya gono.
Boy no.
My J nya gono. My J nya gono na say this time I man na odom o. Oti me 50% consequence no.
Or the G
o man be ma so say ya say dwiri. Say that
dwiri.
Banche edwi no.
Ayi na di twi not make.
Yes.
Jiri bro for ever can say.
Who say na jiri over there nyan bro. Now who say there say una you chichiri.
Julius.
There.
You better say.
Say nti my jet
go na nya go no.
Na there say me you plan say sa girl kitikiti na de man no. Girl ye fence. Seer na de go no. Ane. Kitikiti de no. Your tax express no.
Wo ye yari obi a wo ye shege yari ya ta go.
Say girl ye
kiri. Ano di go no ama boy no.
One de go no ma boy no. Say now say the mu
stiffless no. Wa man stiffless.
Every siblings there in your four.
The be stiffless.
Fine.
Gono. Above the stiffless. Yeah.
Hey, say syphilis. Syphilis now.
Syphilis.
Syphilis. Say we boy na syphilis.
Hey! When you will be on school mu an you too for a surface one. I can't tell the get it and the man.
Get it and the man on I say.
No get it and go funny.
Does I know?
Say see ano.
You purpura asa no.
Why is water pula no?
Yes.
Car water pula.
Kete.
Were you dangerous dabore?
Very, very dangerous.
Were you dangerous?
Very, very,
na
very
no,
dangerous.
Ye ebe ba no so no. Ohun bi.
Me komo anu mu di o se komo.
Enti me ba obo yin sa se na.
Wo dwie.
Jiri sa nam ti. Ade die ne ha boy no. Ba na mu nyina mo idin.
Syphilis dey o kan.
Ade ne ho man kan chem se syphilis ai.
Se me kan ya nka hwe ya nka wi akasa no komo bom sendwem. Anase komo si mabo.
Ene sente obenya Stephanie o.
Stephanie so ya.
Owo ni pable bo ho.
Stephanie.
So nsu hu ano na me twitwa amanfo nso no de roba eto amanfo
yi.
Stephanie.
Hoing heart.
Ai eben Stephanie no.
Enu ni Stephanie.
Ai.
Se no mo enta afọ.
Omo we fan ya de kwan na we afa ba omo nyina ma me ne fani ni koko no
ase nipa ya le ne kan
eno na go say me ye science before answer na me be twi o
sa
nti na bon de bia me ne mo kono me nipa ho
maybe also sometimes you kasa use scientific word in there
eno na me wu no accord
is a car na accord
na kwa best man accord awen mi wa me ya
say the judge na science
aba
what is your car ma do ti ko si car so
yes aba be ma me scholarship
final accord anan na minimum yi
wa high throat
say no abecha yo de
aba hands bagger
abecha yo de
hands bagger
Yeah, me punk when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Brussels with me.
Everybody there. Ubediara.
Them are there, you can so different from our day too much. As our system by me.
O dey enfan no tun se. Hwe. Opoku. Bia me ka se wo. Me check because school ahun. Upe senior man power school Opoku e wan. Wo. We awe. Open ba ko san so wa kata. Wan. Wo. Obia ya we. Opoku. Se me check
Fula. Ewia we maso ya se me ko research bi. Me ye manya hwe me sraw se bibi wo no ma ka kire na me wura inside enya fe na obebo me samra ne me na me fanboy na me we ni na me awa se wuhuru me but no ma asemba yi
Opoku be na me huru
de okan nyina kata sem no nko na e no kro de aka nyina obwa because school na me wono kra me ma no mo mpeme fanboy so we me nim se de me ni mai me ye de me fa hen ko ye fanboy
ara Opoku nji ndi ana
Confula bi asem
man di wo girls di na mbeka akire onu
omo so me fanboy
so ye fanboy too hey omo si won wa han kra ne ku omo mafuno
apanta ni
ma omo so ya ko sa artist we no guy wa na ho fe bi no artist de no ho fe bi no ntim ni bibia da o de be yi
o male
na ay poyo ay poyo
Opoku dabi ade komo no na mwajimi ana me na me fa ko say wa poyo
de fachem mankani
dabi obi ade ne toto aponche me fa ko say no
he's the goat you are the goat you are the greatest of all time you are the goat
because I'm the greatest of all time in this school there me accept it but I me say wa poyo there answer what the matter from
but say goat any wa poyo na
e dey assemble na why did you call me purposely for
dem Chale, unze school dia konkonsa mienu omowa na ya unusa. Na unje info fufuro bia.
Info die. Say my J na trend.
Bonono.
And that one.
Nti bibi fufuro bia nu wo Opoku one pa dia.
My day you can't trending list there my J na that one but bibia sa ma bi.
Sir,
trending bia me too my day.
I so me titi info bion na me say bia obeka
e fa ho e bia wo what ba me
tell mo shida nka de fa no ho pe say as jo mo kan ye that ye kan sen kura as we ni we akobom teachers as we ni what you have for pressure
me bisa because as won come out there say on nam tamale
sir
ye jina kuma say so on nam tamale
o dey am ko na so ka go precious ni Adam say
o my dey
well question so the wow day one is Scanty
so mo nam ho omo yo okay omo nam
as sia ma won say Ghana as on ni best ni as am beto mo say so mo kun say
no mo kun
ni best ni Anderson
ene ko si say
o say
no mo kun ko si say
me man ti dey na aka me fro one aka me fu na palm nti me di mani wo ko don
na me nti bibia sa nti no me wo inside nti no bibia na akwa
me brother
me nti bibia sa
nti o ti nkomo bia sa
ti me wo inside
bia ni wa obedi a kire
dabi Na say oba ne de na kosi say oba ne akura no
Say Opoku on. Ye di nyansa foma no ode asiese na be den abe faso abe fem
and me rega be say obus
me bien ni
oba ne de na kosi say
me ba na kosi ade fa
say wa ko hu na busuafo na ge ne de oba ne akura no asanto ne
fe film so kokra den ye vrem na kra na udi nkomo bini angaza
dada fanfula
dada wine fanfula
hey dada you say fraud dada was school student I no baby 18 years kra me sure say wadu ne be fraud dada why there what ye nim chame what boys ni na nim ah there you say who be ba ko abawiase chame na there so why there
me nya hwe what Emma who
inside why?
They be trying to be kokra brabi.
Fanfula said they are
there be as in common edin de o aden nkomen kwana brotherhood ye den akatafo ye ni den yen
Adams me catch routine ye pa so wa foku bo eno so anti ayi tu fu school ha wuntie no all the esisi wo school mu ha ti say gonorrhea and esisi wo school mu ha you two for the beer wuntie no e masem wo school mu ha no Adams me di se wonim na me kasa kyerɛw na wantie na kwati gono Adams me ka of ya banye nan I ka of a sibre wuo say me kama me etwa bema kama me twa wa me etwa bema say tin because you do ba se be sua de ya pa wa masa be ye masa mo school mu ha na obo na wi na tira wi wo nto sa adai twa me nim se wanyini mintimi sisi wo masa mu ba school mu de ho anya masa mo Adams sa wo try wo school mu sa wo ye masa mo Adams ka check kama check
Brother, one nya go no school mo.
Me say, me dey me catch up. Hey, boy na mo ne boy na nya go no mu. Sa ma je no. Enyo ne nenam.
Ya me minimum me.
Wa nya go no, ene me catch up say ma je nya go no. Atiti o school mu ama no. Chiyi na tu hu free school mu ama no. Hey, wo be yo lie, abetimi akwa abonten akwa yo lie. Me easy wo sen kwa yo lie. Na wo to kwa no di o agro wa abonten. Come to shame so what's the best school my first school for Ebi. Adams me do ba se be sua de o.
For say me nya ma se mo school
mo. Wonya wo di na me ka kira wo no me ka.
No ba bia wa.
Me ka me se wo ba yo liar enye no school mu a. Kwa na bonten. E ma me hu se wo ni school mu akoda bia gina ho. Tinie. Na tro wo free ho. Hwe wo e free ho. Adams. Na wonni na wo di bre na kwati gono. No kwati gono wubu
for kasa te say de won say me no ba bi ko be ye bibi o school me no ba bia ni bibi
o say me kasa te say de Adams come to shame you are talking to your uncle then come to shame Adams ana me ka kire wo no me ka kire wo se wunim no antwe ho me so be your liar ko your liar abonten na ko your niema wa abonten dada afi ba ne say
menye bibia wo school mu a nti no so obi enya go no a star wo kasa no entrance so says
me kasa star be Adams star be na me kasa
that's what me company pa chrono say
me do a comparison le do why a comparison when I am wo fast na be too fo entitie futuo tie me say when I no school girl bia nyire gira ha me pese tranku benya go no e be dam so me bi din na da so kwa abonten kwati ugono me okay dan school mu a tie de make kire no me mpa bodina keke tranku yesi se ma ye wo fase me srawo pi e na maka kire no hweye wo bibika
ayo fa
woni hweye ka ye say bem say bibi ho
fa bibi no
Adai Adams Adai Echira ni ebodin Adams ene Adams echira Adams ukwada Adams yawada Adams Friday Adams Juma Adams aseseba Adams Adai come to shame eno bie nyina biem Adams Scanty. Kwa bonten ne kwa your lie.